Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 5, downloading a Google Doc. With that being said, let's begin. To access file feature number 5, I need to left click on File and scroll down to Download As. From there, a variety of options appear, including Microsoft Word, Open Document Format, Rich Text Format, PDF Document, Plain Text, Web Page, or ePublication. Now, when it comes to downloading a Google Doc into a different file format, there are a few ideas to keep in mind. The first is that if you download a Google Doc into a Microsoft Word document, the formatting of the text can change. It will not be a one-to-one transition, unfortunately. However, if you download the Google Doc into a type of file that is generally not edited, such as a PDF document, the text should end up in the same space, roughly. Either way, though, you have a variety of options for downloading your Google document into another file type. The download will begin as soon as you select the option you prefer. Thank you, and I hope that this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.